Look at her, you guys. Look at her. Show face what you're doing. Show face what you're doing. Show face what you're doing. Stinky! Kids, but Tyler may have something special for that little boy. You know, you guys want to understand. Probably it's because of my first and what we went through with Ty. But I can't see Tyler hurt. It breaks my heart into a million pieces. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. My face is quiet. No? Maybe it's the lighting. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Who's coming? Who's coming? Shorty! Shorty! Say good morning. They can't see you, get your step back. Sarah, say good morning. Papa, say good morning.
Good morning.
Everybody giving you good morning this morning. Hey, hey, what we doing right now? What we doing? What we doing?
To school.
We're going to school. Ooh, ooh. Everybody's heading out. Everybody's heading out right now. What are you guys doing? It's Monday here. Whatever time you guys are watching this, it should be sometime in the week for you. And everybody's calling Mama. Everybody want Mama. Yes, Tyler.
Sarah going to school today?
Yes, don't you see she's dressed and ready for school?
But she's still dressed even if she's not going to school. Right there for school. Where is he right there?
You are smart. That's true. Yes, she's going to school today and tomorrow.
Hello.
No, she's not going to school Friday this week.
Oh, she's only going hello.
Yes. Anyway, you guys, I am heading out to the school
Bye,
run.
Daddy. Bye. Bye. My dear Grandma.
I'm headed out to the school run with my little parrot. So hopefully you guys have a good day. What's wrong?
Today's the last day before my to read my bedtime.
Yes, it is. I'm taking them back tomorrow, so you better finish up. Whatever you don't read, that's okay. I'll take them back. Okay? Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Whatever it is that you set out to do today, be good at it. Be great at it. Stay safe in these streets. Love you guys, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
Wrong. We'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
later.
Tomorrow.
You're too funny.
Tomorrow.
Oh, I'm gonna make my breakfast too to go. Breakfast this morning is kale, flaxseed, strawberry, banana, and pineapple.
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes, Ty.
It's not breakfast. That is snack.
It's breakfast.
It's also snack, but to be exact, it's snack.
He's telling me what it is. You hear that?
Yes.
What does that mean?
Alright.
And to go. Go put it on your back.
To go.
Anyway, guys, later.
See the time on your watch.
Where are you going with telephone? A bunch of craziness happening around here this morning.
Pink, blue, purple, green.
Anyway, guys, I'm out. See you guys later. The school run never fails. School run! Sarah, go, 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 go! She down this stretch every morning. Well, soon she'll be stopped going here. Go, 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 go! She have 2 months leave at this school, and then it's vacation, and then I don't know if when I come back from vacation if I'll take her back here or I'll keep her at home. We'll see. But come September, no more at this one. She'll be off to big school all day on her own. Yes, I'm so looking forward to September. You guys have no idea. Look at her. She'll do good, I'm sure. Drop my princess to school and my prince to school, and I'm in town heading to my little spot. Town look rather busy this morning, busier than usually. Lots of people out on this Monday morning. I am heading to my spot. I think I'm gonna have something this morning. I don't usually take anything, but this morning I'm feeling to munch. I already had my smoothie though, so I think I'm going to order a little something and sit and just relax and have a good 2 hours of peace without my kids, without my husband, just me, myself, and I. He out of school jumping hopscotch. Yay! Good job. Come on, let's go. Yay! Look at her, you guys. Look at her. Show face what you're doing. Show face what you're doing. Show face what you're doing. Stinky! She smell her foot as there. Stinky, because I always do that to her. Show faves again. Show them. Show faves what you're doing. Say stinky. Say stinky foot. Say stinky foot. Say stinky foot. Say stink foot, Sarah. Say stink stink. Show him what you're doing. You're too funny. What? Why are you smelling your foot? Why are you smelling your foot? Stink stinky foot. Say stinky foot. Don't tell me she's gonna smell pepper food. Pepper food stinky. Say stinky food pepper. Say stink food pepper. Stink pepper. Oh my god. You smell pepper food? It's too funny, you guys. I picked her up from school and I've been back home and relaxing a bit, and she took a nap, and now I'm gearing up to go pick up Taylor from school. Oh, Taylor from school right now. Oh my gosh, I'm tired.
Where's Peppa?
Where's Peppa? You're too cute, you know that? You guys, look at my kids. Look at them. Take a good look at this one. And the other one. Back from school, into the book. Yes, Sarah. You see shapes? What shape is it? What shape is it? What shape is it? Show me. Show Mama shapes. No, it's okay. You can keep your shoes on. Don't take it off. No, leave it. You're taking it off? Good job. Oh my gosh. She's fixing it back. She's so proud of herself. You're too cute. Go on, take it off. Yay! Good job. Bravo. Look at her, you guys. Just look at her. Look what she's gonna do. I don't have to say anything to her. Look at her. She knows exactly where it's supposed to go. Good job, Sarah. Show Mama shapes. You're gonna show Mama shapes now. What shape is it? What shape you gonna show Mama?
It's six.
Where is the shape? You okay, Ty? Tyler book's supposed to go back to the library tomorrow, and he have a few more to read. So he is trying to read as much as he can read this evening before I carry them back tomorrow. That's what you're trying to do, right?
Yes.
You're too funny. So he came home and he didn't even rest. He didn't even rest. He did his homework and he went right for one of his big library books. Because he said he's going to try and read as much as he can to see how far he can get to finish off all the books he took at the library the last time. Good job.
Square.
Where is Square? It's not in the box. I don't know where it is. I decluttered Tyler's room and took out all these toys that Tyler no longer play with. I'm gonna donate them, but I'm just trying to find the right place to donate them to. And I'm gonna keep some of them, just a few of them outside here, but I need to buy a storage pan to keep some for the summer, so that when Sarah outside she play with them, because I realize that she love playing with them, and Tyler play with these ones when he's outside, but I don't want them to go back inside. So I'm just gonna get a proper storage pan and donate the rest. It was dinner for the fam bam. The kids are going first while Babe and I salmon is in the air fryer. So I did macaroni and cheese, salmon, broccoli and plantain. Tyler, Sarah. Look at him.
Can you give me a bit more of plantain?
You want a bit more plantain?
Yeah.
If you eat off everything in your plate, I'll give you a piece more plantain. Yeah, but you can't eat plantain alone. Get to the table, please. You know what I was thinking today? How much I regret not pranking you about your ring yesterday. I regret it so. I'm just looking to see how beautiful that video would be. You guys, I almost got him yesterday and I wanted to prank him and film it, but I completely fluked out because Babe hates prank. He hate.
Who like it?
It's fun.
Yeah,
That's
but
why
who like to be pranked?
everybody,
You
when
like?
you find out that it's not true, you laugh about it.
Yeah, after I laugh.
Yeah, but you don't like to do them, hence why we don't do them on our channel, because you don't like them. I'm really up for it, but him and prank can't do it one person, you have to do it two. And if he doesn't
You
like
can
them,
prank
I
Tyler.
won't do that. Oh gosh, no. You,
can
you
prank
remember when we prank, when me and Tyler planned up and prank you about the TV and how Tyler cry?
Yeah,
When you get mad at him?
When you prank him with all of his candies
I
and you
prank
make him
him with
cry,
the candy
and I
he
think
cry.
you cry too, is it?
Oh God, my heart breaking. I would have never pranked Tyler. How
With
when
his candy,
how
with
when-
his candy
when-
pan.
when-
You should put back this video.
when Tyler cry, when Tyler is emotional and cry, I feel it to my heart. Both kids, but Tyler may have something special for that little boy. You know, you guys don't understand. Probably it's because of my first and what we went through with Ty. But I can't see Tyler hurt. It breaks my heart into a million pieces. They can't prank Tyler. Come here, go get teary eye. They can't prank Tyler. No, watch my eye get red. So no.
Yes.
Hence why we can't do prank. We can't do prank. I would love to, but my family is too emotional to do prank. Anyway, you guys, the day has come to an end. My day is just beginning. When my kids in bed, oh my gosh, and my house is clean. The best feeling in life. What you have to say for yourself? You're breathing like you're pregnant. Me have love bump on my face though. I wonder who. Babe, stop doing that, please. Babe, talk to Faves now.
It's the end of the day with Bob time. We just want to relax right now. So I'm sure everybody wants to relax. Just be chill, and I don't know what you guys used to do when you come home and want to relax. If you just go, if you have a little backyard, if you just go outside, if you watch TV, if you read a book, if you drink something, so whatever you do when it works for you to relax, continue. As you know, drink, well, I try not to drink much. We don't really hang out much outside. Something that maybe in the future we need to do, find something for the mosquitoes and maybe more hanging outside. But yeah,
Is you why we don't really go outside when the kids are in bed? Because if mosquito bite you, it's riot.
yeah, so I need
If
to
mosquito
find
bite you,
something
it's
for the
dead.
mosquito. And then
A
we'll be
mosquito,
fine.
don't tell us mosquito destroyer, cause it don't help, babe. Mosquito bite babe all of them nose tip.
No, but we find a way.
Anyway, guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, bam bam, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, of course. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, please, and share it with your friends, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell your neighbor, your auntie, your uncle, everybody.